Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Electrical Products Review. So today we are going to review like the left down of products of a gold medal company. So we have reviewed electrical switches and plates of gold medal company. So now we will like review more products, the rest of the products of gold medal like company products. We will show you in this PDF file. So let's start with the first of all the gang boxes powering your switch board safely. So these are the gang boxes they manufacture. First of all, they are like EcoFlush mount like mounting metal like gang box. These are these comes in the galvanized. These are like galvanized over on this coating is done on these metal boxes, and they come up in the like various different modules. First one is we have 1 and 2 module, then 3 module, then 4 module, 6 module, 8 module. These are like 12 module, 16 module, and 18 module as well. So these are gang boxes which are like used like for the fitting purposes. First of all, these are have to be mounted on the wall, and then the plates are covered. Switches and plates are covered on these boxes. And then we have premium flush mounting gang boxes. These are stainless steel. They are made of stainless steels, and these are like comes up with the same modules, 1 and 2 modules to 18 modules. So these are the same one and 2 modules, 6 modules, 8 modules, up to 12, like 18 modules. They come up. So with this, and then they make a different type of like according to the size and thickness as well of the boxes they like manufacture. uh, they make with the size, and they have given with the size and all that thickness of the metal boxes. They manufacture different type of flush mounting metal gang boxes, galvanized, uh, like 1 and 2 module, 3 module, 4 module, 6 modules, the same way. They come up with the same way metal gang boxes. So like 1 to 18 modules they come up, and sizes they differ. They differ in the sizes. And surface mounting plastic like plastic gang boxes they also manufacture. These are plastic gang boxes they have shown up in this PDF file. And let's move to the next section. And these are the same flush like mounting like plastic gang boxes हैं ये भी फायर रेजिस्टेंट के साथ आते हैं. ये सेम like 1 module, 2 module, 4 module, 8 module, 12 module, and with the with all these boxes different the sizes, width, health, width, height and length, they differ in. And these are these one are like G surface mounting plastic gang boxes है ये, fire resistant, suitable for Grazia and Glacio. ये कुछ ये थिकनेस में वेरी करते हैं, विथ हाइट एंड लेंथ में. तो ये हैं कुछ डिफरेंसेस. तो मूव करते हैं अब अनदर अनदर सेक्शन में. लेट्स मूव. दीज आर द लाइक डोर बेल्स दे मैन्युफैक्चर. some of the doorbells gold medal manufacture. These are like here they all come together. Busby, make warm, welcome, warmer like polygon model they have. Or and then they have add another dimension to your to your four walls. Geekaxio model they have. They manufacture doorbell, and they have the season has many secrets reveal, one on your wall. G Shell. These are the doorbell like bells. Premium luxurious doorbells they manufacture, and rich people like to लगाना चाहते हैं अपने घरों में इस टाइप की बेल्स काफ़ी अच्छी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी में है. And then we have Star Space. They are the ultimate star of your decor. Star Space. doorbells. Then stylish home deserves stylish welcomes alpha doorbells. And then they manufacture announce your guest in style galaxy doorbell. कुछ इस टाइप की शेप में रहती है. Then distinct look, remarkable sound. This is also a doorbell. काफ़ी अच्छी luxurious doorbells है. Then they have this zoom like Zomba plug-in bell. Then they have Zomba and Zomba plug-in bell remote. And then execute the sound on every ring EXO. Then they manufacture accurate sound on every ring Zomba. So काफ़ी अच्छी luxurious bells हैं इनकी. Then we have this one is Get Set plug and ring ultra and Explo bell. So ये थी कुछ bells. And then we have more bells. They manufacture काफ़ी bells बनाते हैं different quality की according to the budget of the people as well, like how much they afford. So let's see, first of all, let me show you here. Yeah, so काफ़ी टाइप की बेल्ट्स बनाते हैं गोल्ड मेडल कंपनी. काफ़ी अच्छी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी में बेल्ट्स भी बनाती हैं. देन वी हैव इज़ ओशन aqua snow white. This one is a snow white. Then Benetton. Then we have is woofer bell. Then G spot bell as well. They manufacture. Then prism as well. This one is a prism. And here we have is ek mantra ekant mantra bell, ekant mantra bells. Different models they have. काफ़ी मंत्रास टाइप के बने होते हैं लाइक गुरु मंत्रा, महा गणेशा जी एंड साईनाथ mantras as well. So these are the mantra doorbells. Then we have G shell. This one is a G shell. Then G space, G hexo. uh, then we have Busby, then G Astro, and then they manufacture Polygon, Welcome, Pulse. So these are the bells. And then they have Pulse Zyro MP3 doorbell, and then Red Dot, then Salsa as well. So these are the bells. And over here we have is Sound 9 with remote, Alpha, Galaxy. So Edge, Polonic as well, Star Space. So these are the bells. And wireless plug-in doorbells, they also manufacture wireless bells भी बनाते हैं. EXO plug-in and ultra plug-in alarm bells. This is alarm bell they have. And let's move to the another section now of gold medal. These are the extensions they manufacture. These are the different quality extensions they manufacture as per the quality. So these are the already I have made one video on this one as well. So these are the different belts. These are the Curve Plus. And let's move to this one. They have different types of extensions, cord extensions as well. Spike guards we say. This is the first one we have is eye strip LED spike guard. Then power strips we have the eye design 4x1 power design. 4 outlet international socket with master switch and indicator. And then they have iDesign 4 into 4 power strip 4 outlet international socket with indicator switch and indicator 2 meter with 2 meter cables. So, and third one we have is iDesign 4 into 4 power strip with USB 3 outlet international socket dual as like dual USB port. Fourth one is like Zippo power strip with USB 3 outlet internal sockets, master switch. So these are the different sockets they make. And over the here we have is high grade adapter spike guards. They also make like Express 4 into 1 spike guard with like USB like Logica 4 into 1 spike guard with Taco 3 into 1 spike guard and Spice Mini 4 into 1, Spice Max 6 into 1, and 360 हाई ग्रेड अडेप्टर्स भी ये बनाते हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे क्वालिटी के रहते हैं। हम ये भी सेल करता हूँ मैं ये भी इनके गोल्ड मेडल कंपनी के 360 पावर स्ट्रिप्स 360 स्पाइक गार्ड 360 स्पाइक गार्ड विद USB। सो ईच एंड एवरी टाइप के आते हैं इनके, काफ़ी अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इनके। एंड प्लग इन एसेंशियल पावर स्ट्रिप प्लग इन प्लग इज plug like plugged in 4 into 4 like power strip with USB. It comes up and plugged into 4 into 1 power strip 4 outlet into sockets master switch with indicator 2 meter cable के साथ। and these are the like slight differences are there that they have given। and then we have is high grade adapter spike guard uh, where you can then SNG spike guards। then we have is a 2-pin extension cord with handles. They make a different type of uh, they make different type of extensions over this one as well, like slick 2-pin, Quora 2-pin, G Expert 2-pin, and 3-pin extension cord with handle. These are the slight differences there. 3-pin extension cord like with handle, like slick 3-pin cord, 3-pin G Expert 3-pin they make, and 2-pin extension without handle they also make, like 2-pin extension cord with handle. Tazel 2-pin twister, like twister 2-pin they make, they make G Smart 2-pin, like G dial 2-pin 5 meter, and Geo 2-pin, Quista 2-pin, Plano 2-pin. This is a Plano 2-pin, and Infinopoli like 2-pin as well. And over here we have is 3-pin extension cord with handles, Dazzle 3-pin, Twister 3-pin, G Smart 3-pin, Geo 3-pin, Plano 3-pin, high grade 16 एम्पेयर एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड्स भी 16 एम्पेयर एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड भी ये बनाते हैं, लाइक ट्विस्टर 16 एम्पेयर 3-pin, G Expert 3-pin, decorative wire links they manufacture like decorative wire links as well. SNGI extension cords they make with 5 meter cables, flex 2-pin it comes with 5 meter cable, and flex 2-pin it comes with 7.5 meter and 4 meter as well. So these are the like two extensions cords they manufacture. So guys, these are the like another section we have covering LED नाइट लैम्प्स ये बनाते हैं काफ़ी अच्छे लाइट लैम्प्स जो कि आप कहीं भी आप लगा सकते हो, लाइक 2-pin LED लाइट लैम्प्स, like a hot shot night lamp with LED, desire night lamp with LED. Then we have a divine glow Shri Paraswanath edge glow LED night lamp, divine glow Lord Ganesha edge glow LED light lamp, divine glow like Mahalakshmi edge glow LED light lamp. Then we have divine glow Guru Nanak edge glow light LED night lamp. Then we have is a divine glow Azan edge glow LED night lamp. So these are the different night lamps they manufacture. G focus night lamp, G divine Shri Parashvanath ji, Divine Lord Ganesha ji, Divine Mahalakshmi ji, Divine Tirupati Balaji ji, Divine Azan. So these were the different, and then they manufacture tape as well, self-adhesive PVC, electrical insulation tapes. These are different types of tapes they manufacture. The PVC electrical insulation tape, 6 meter, 15 meters, and 25 meters. So guys, let's wrap up over here also here only. So we will rest. We will wrap up in another video. So आज के लिए इतना ही इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रोडक्ट्स पे गोल्ड मेडल के. So and rest of the products we will I will make more videos on this for all the electric products. So people if you have liked this video, so like, share and comment for more videos on electrical products. So bye for this session. Jai Hind, bye.